Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing quadrilateral exercise point 1. In a previous section, we discussed question number 7 and today's section I am going to solve the question number 8. So what is that? ABCD is a rectangle in which the diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C. So here ABCD is a rectangle. So here ABCD is a rectangle and diagonal AC is a bisect angle A as well as angle C. It means these two angles are equal. Here bisect means these two are equal and here bisect means these two are equal to each other. These two are and these two are equal to each other. And show that ABCD is a square. Here we want to show it is a square. So it is a rectangle is now. We want to show it is a square. So rectangle means each angle is a 90 degree. Square means each angle is 90 and all sides are equal. Here we want to show that all sides are equal. Rectangle, in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. Is it clear? And the diagonal BD is bisect angle B as well as angle D. So they asked here, right? So first write on what they given. ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C. Right, this much they given and we want to prove here ABCD is a square. So first one we have to prove here ABCD is a square and second one we have to prove here diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D, right? So proof. So here is a two triangle. Consider here triangle ABC and another triangle ADC. In a triangle ABC and triangle ADC. So in these two triangles, see here AC is the common. AC is equal to AC common side. And see here these two angles are equal. They only given because AC is a bisect angle A. So angle BAC is equal to angle DAC, right? So angle BAC is equal to angle DAC. AC bisect angle A. And here also angle BCA is equal to angle DCA. Angle BCA is equal to angle DCA. Here AC bisect angle C. So in these two triangles, two angles and one sides are equal. It means these two triangles are congruent to each other. Therefore, the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle ADC by AAS rule, angle side rule, right? So now these two triangles are congruent to each other means their corresponding parts are equal. So here AD is equal to the AB and DC is equal to the BC. Is it clear? So AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to DC by CP CT, corresponding part of a congruent triangle. So these two corresponding angles means these two corresponding sides. Here also these two corresponding angles means these two corresponding sides. So here the corresponding sides are equal. So it is a rectangle, they only given. Rectangle means the opposite sides are equal, and we proved these two sides are equal. It means the all sides are equal here. So write down here, and ABCD is a rectangle. So that is AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. So call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. So all sides are equal. It means ABCD is a square. Thus ABCD is a rectangle in which all sides are equal. Hence ABCD is a square. Is it clear? Friends, the second one we have to prove here. The diagonal BD is bisect angle A as well as angle D. So BD is a bisect angle B as well as angle D. We want to prove here. Bisect means here these two angles are equal and here these two angles are equal, right? So second one, let me solve here. So here also two triangle DAB and another one DCB. In a triangle DAB and a triangle DCB, DAB, DCB. So in these two triangle, DA is equal to DC, DA is equal to DC, and AB is equal to BC, AB is equal to BC, because ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square, already we proved, right? So ABCD is a square means there all sides are equal, and here BD is a common. BD is equal to BD, common side. So in these two triangles, corresponding three sides are equal. It means these two triangles are congruent to each other. Therefore, the triangle DAB is congruent to the triangle DCB by SSS rule. So these two triangles are congruent to each other means their corresponding parts are equal. So here AD corresponding is a BC, it means these two are the corresponding part, and AB corresponding to the BC means these two are the corresponding. So angle ADB is equal to angle CDB, and angle ABD is equal to angle ABD is equal to angle CBD by CPCT. So here these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal means hence diagonal BD is bisect angle B as well as angle D. Hence proved. Is it clear?